Welcome to. Today we'll create a delicious cheesecake, perfect for 5 people. If you love cheesecake, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button to show some love. Plus, share this video with your friends and join our channel for more tasty recipes. Let's get started with the ingredients you'll need for this delightful cheesecake, topped with fresh strawberries. You'll need 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/3 cup melted butter, 24 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 ts vanilla extract, 1/4 cup sour cream, zest of 1 lemon, optional, and fresh strawberries and other sweets for garnish. Now let's dive into making this heavenly cheesecake. Start with the crust. Combine graham cracker crumbs and melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch spring-form pan to create the crust. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Now, prepare the cheesecake filling. In a bowl, combine softened cream cheese and granulated sugar until smooth. Add eggs 1 by 1, then mix in vanilla, sour cream, and optional lemon zest. Pour the filling over the crust, tap to remove air bubbles, and bake for 45-55 minutes until edges set but the center jiggles. Cool to room temperature, refrigerate for a few hours or overnight for best results. Now decorate with fresh strawberries or your favorite sweets. Slice and enjoy this creamy delight with 4-5 friends. I hope you loved making and savoring this cheesecake. Show your support by subscribing, liking, sharing with friends, and joining our channel. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next tasty video.